Alchemist Radio.
Welcome, LFG. If you already have a crypto wallet, you can go ahead and skip this tutorial. But if this is your first time, I recommend that you download and install the Brave browser for its built-in privacy and Web3 features. Using the Brave browser, search for the Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, search and download the Metamask wallet extension. Add the Metamask extension to Brave, and a Metamask pop-up window will appear. But before you proceed, I recommend that you click the extensions button to pin your wallet onto your browser for easy access. Now click the Get Started button. Click I agree to Metamask's terms. Click on Create a Wallet. Create a password and agree to its terms of use. You should watch the entire video on how to secure your private keys, the seed phrase, to your wallet. Stay safe out there. Once you have your seed phrase stored in a safe location, you're ready to get some Goerli ETH, also known as fake ETH, and you will need some wrapped ETH or wheat, that's WETH, which is in our next tutorial.